Hello everyone. So last reel I made of cash flow diagram end of year convention, and you can go and check out what I spoke about, because that is very mandatory when you plot a cash flow diagram. So here next I will be communicating you, teaching you certain things, as in first of all, how to plot a cash flow diagram. If you see here, there are 5 years, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have written n is equal to 5 years, and then I have assumed a MAR, that's the minimal acceptable rate of return, I, that the project will give as 10% per annum. Per annum means per year. Okay. Then thirdly, what you need to check when plotting a cash flow diagram is, first of all, is the cash flow inflow or a outflow? If the cash flow is inflow, means a plus. Cash flow means inflow, means something is coming in, that means plus. Okay, and that is represented by a upward sign. So here if you see the cash inflows in year 1, cash inflow is 10,000. In year 2, cash inflow is 15,000. In year 5, cash inflow is 80,000, right? So inflows can represent, like I've written here, if you see the second portion of the last section, upward arrow. So cash inflows can be anything: revenues from projects, receipts, incomes, revenues from sales, or any form of money you are receiving from somewhere. So that is plot, and that is shown as an addition in your calculation. So it can be salvage value also, on receipts from projects, incomes, all I spoke. Okay, so this portion is done. So I told you about the MAR, the N, the number of years, the inflows, that the cash inflows. Next I'll be dealing the cash outflows. So what does outflow means? As you say, out is going out. So money is going out. So there will be a minus sign in this. Like whenever money is going out from your pockets as well, what happens? You deduct it from your total money you already hold. Similarly here, minus or a cash outflow would be that those amounts are being deducted from the project. You should just keep this in mind, that engineering economics is analysis of projects, whether they are economical or not. You need to check the economic viability of that project, that is this economic, is this beneficial, is this profitable for the company or not. Okay, so outflows, cash outflow would be shown as a downward arrow, and like a minus in your calculation would be shown as minus, and it can represent anything from investment. And then MNO, that's MNO is maintenance and operation, which occurs every year. Every year this cost occurs. Expenses, any form of expenses, costs, taxes. So all this can take the form of cash flow diagram. All this can take the form of cash outflows. So guys, it is very important whenever you are plotting a diagram, because in some papers I have seen in Dubai and Turkey and many other papers, I've seen 5 marks only for plotting a cash flow diagram. So you need to be very clear. You need to know how to plot a cash flow diagram, or else you may lose marks on it. Okay, so all these things need to be there. N, you check out, N is there, interest is there. Second thing. Third thing, arrows are perfect. Okay, and everything is plotted properly. And next, what you need to check, see, one more thing, one very important thing I'll tell you here, that the 10,000 arrow has to be shorter than the 15,000 arrow. It cannot be that the 15,000 arrow is shorter and 10,000 is a more higher one. Your marks could go there as well. Okay, I hope you like my tutorial. I'm trying to make more of it. If you need me to solve any of the questions, because like I assist in teaching, solving questions, assignments and everything, please contact me on Telegram or mail me on the ID that's given on this channel. Okay, thank you students, thank you for all the views that you're giving me. Okay, bye, have a great day, happy studying.